Hello guys, welcome to Building Web App YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about the template driven form. Here I have created one example. I have converted the normal form into template driven form. Okay, if I enter the values and click submit, the form is submitted successfully and you can see the respective values. Okay, how I have done this in the application. Let us check the code first. Okay. In this workspace, I have created one template driven form folder. Under this folder, I have created one user form component. Okay. In user form dot component dot ts file, I have created two properties, user and submitted. This user property has the object value and submitted property as the boolean value, right? And in the HTML form, the normal form is converted to template driven form by adding the template reference variable user form, okay, and as well as adding the ng model. This is two-way data binding. Okay, so I have assigned the user dot name, which means the user property object keys, right? I have assigned it to the name input tag. Similarly, for email, age and password, I have assigned the respective values to the ng model. Okay, then we need to pass this data to the form, right? So I have created one method on submit. In this method, I am passing the user form template reference variable. Okay, when I submit the form, first I will check the form is valid or not. Then I will set this submitted property to true. If I set the property to true means here this piece of code will visible. So the form submitted successfully and you can see the name, email and age. Okay, so this is the simple way of writing the template driven form. You can see the browser. I'm filling the data. I'm clicking submit. You can see the form is submitted successfully. This is a simple example for the template driven form. I hope you have liked this explanation, and if you like this video, please do hit the like button, subscribe and share my channel with your colleagues. Thanks for watching.